How to transfer USDT from Binance to Gate.io. So if you want to send USDT from Binance to Gate.io, this video is for you. Now go and open up your Gate.io to copy the address. After you open Gate.io, now go to this asset. From the asset, go to deposit. So from this deposit, go to on-chain deposit. So from this option, now go and search for USDT. So search for USDT. So here is it now. After you select USDT like this now, go and select the network. So for me, I will use this BNB network, this one. After you select the network like this now, copy the network, here is it. After you copy the network from the Gate.io, now close the Gate.io and go back to Binance. So after you open the Binance app like this now, go to asset in the Binance. After it comes to asset, now go to withdraw. So go and tap on this withdraw again. So from this list, now go and select USDT. Now go to this send via crypto network. So from this option, now go and paste in the address that you copy from the Gate.io. Here is the address. After you type in the address, now go and select the network. The network is BNB. So from this option, now go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say now I want to withdraw 50 USDT. After you type in the amount, from this option now you can be able to tap on this withdraw button. From there, the USDT will be sent into your Gate.io account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.